Okay, we have successfully installed the Larson Tradewinds door handle. Good job. Now, next step, grab these keys and stick it in the door lock. If you don't, these keys have a habit of growing legs, jumping into your trash bag, and never being found again. So test the lock to make sure it works, and then we are going to attach the strike plate. The strike plate was in the box that had the door hardware installation kit, and you'll notice there's a fat side at the bottom and a thin side at the top. This is how you install it. You do not install it like this. This is upside down. So we're going to come back in here, and if you look, there's already a pre-drilled hole here and here. That is how it lines up. And you can slide this left and right or forward and backward to tighten or loosen the door to take out play in the door.